Hello, this is Barry Nirmal. Please subscribe to my channel by clicking on the subscribe link below. This is August 3rd and I'm in the city of Toronto, Ontario, Canada. And now I find that in this month Toronto is full of nice trees and plants. Like for example, this house here in Scarborough is so beautiful. So look at the house. It has brick in the front, brick in the sides, and all over. Very strong house. And this tree here, see this small tree here, and look at this tree. See this tree here? This is a very nice tree with nice flowers, white flowers. And this tree here is has red leaves, right? And then on the side, the hedge looks like arbor vitae or thuja tree. It's a beautiful and this tree here, see the tall tree here, is the maple tree, which is very common in Toronto. And in fact, the neighboring tree also is a maple tree, and then there are so many flower plants, and look at this in the front here. See look at the arbor vitae, and look at this tree. Very nice tree. And in Toronto, the city of Toronto also plants some trees. They plant, for example, this tree here has been planted by the city of Toronto, and in the beginning they even come and water the trees. And look at this house, the front. See this tree here? This is a low-rise tree, not very high, but look at the canopy. It's beautiful green leaves, and this plant also is very nice. See, a little bit tall, and then on the side is all those flower trees. It's a beautiful design. This is the same neighborhood in Scarborough, Ontario, Canada, and in this street, as I can see, both sides are tree lined. So this is like a tree lined street, and it's about 6 o'clock in the evening, and on the both sides are trees, tall trees, and it looks beautiful. And so many different kinds of trees they have, right? And this is one type of tree. See here, and look at this guy here. See this tree here, this slender tree is very nice leaves. It's kind of a variety of maple tree. And see, look at this tree. See, beautiful tree. And this house here, the houses here are so nice. They're all brick in front and also sides. To see, these houses have bricks all around. Whereas in Houston, Texas, I have found that lots of houses in the middle class neighborhoods, they have only little bit of brick in front and no bricks on the sides. But look at these houses. Look at this house here. See in front, this house. It looks so beautiful. 2-story houses. So nice windows, right? And this house here in front. And look at this house, right? And look at the garden in front. See this here, the cypress or juniper on the ground, and then this tree with red leaves, and this tree here looks nice, and this tree here, these trees here, see this, all these trees, they're very different from what I see in Texas, southern Texas. And here the trees are so variety, so colorful, so green, because here you don't get too much heat in the summer, so plants don't need too much water. Okay, and so the plants, the trees survive, and they make you feel so good. See, look at this tree. See, look at this tree with white. See, with white, greenish white leaves, and this looks like a thuja tree, Arbor Vitae, and this tree here. See this tree here, tall tree. See, it looks so nice, and this guy has a very nice backyard with lots of trees. See this guy here. See, so many nice tree he has, and it's a beautiful neighborhood. Okay, and all these houses are beautiful. They all are cost more than 1 million Canadian dollars. 1 million Canadian dollars. Most of them, the average is about $1.5 million. Very expensive houses. And you can see this guy's garden in the front of the house is beautiful tree. So look at this tree here, very nice tree. And then that tree which has those round white and green flowers. See, they are so nice, right? And then this tree is typical tree in this city. And then this one here is also, see this tree here is like brown, dark brown leaves, right? And so it's a beautiful garden in front of the house. And then this tree here, he has a creeping plant, has climbed on the tree and gives a very good look. And I can see that his backyard is also very nice, but I will not go into his backyard. But look at the side, and the side also he has very nice plants and trees. Beautiful garden, beautiful garden. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this flower here. Oh, beautiful, beautiful flowers. Okay. Look at this house in Scarborough, Canada. See, look at the plants he has in his front yard. Beautiful flowers. This is white flowers. See, all the small plants with white flowers. He has planted a lot of them, and this looks like crepe myrtle. This looks like crepe myrtle, and so many. And that tree there, see, with pink flowers, very nice. And then that tree there with red flowers. And look at this, see, white and red flowers, and then that's red flowers. It's a beautiful garden. Beautiful garden, beautiful. Look at this house in Toronto. See, in the driveway he has put some flower pots, the same kind, and he has put these flowers, different kinds of flowers, but all colorful flowers. And then in the front also he has put, and on the side he has put some flowers. So it looks beautiful. And this house, my friend was saying that this house is worth $2 million. And it's not owned by some millionaire. It's owned by a Sri Lankan couple. Both have professional jobs. So they are millions. They are owner of $2 million houses. So in Toronto is full of millionaires, because average house price is more than 1 million. So and the population of Toronto is more than 2.5 million. So you have about 2 million millionaires in Toronto. So nowadays, being a millionaire is not a big deal in the USA or Canada, especially Toronto. Okay, and of course, if you are multi-millionaire, if you have 5 million, 10 million, or 100 million, then you are considered very rich. Okay, otherwise, so many people in Toronto have houses costing more than $1 million. Hello. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so by clicking on the subscribe link below. Also write your comments in the comment section below. spread the word. You can share this video with your friends by clicking on the share button below, and you can share it with WhatsApp, with Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and by sending email to your friends.